Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menta usnam arajar kat kendai, kinong ilakai kilan met ki baju sutunat banjingi, kilai olat banjisi menta ha ka jingi kop jingi kabala pelong ha ki ars ngilantar, ha kani kanong ba Shillong. Ya kani ka jingi kop kabala tep, kom ka 15 senior state swimming competition. Ya kabala pelong ha ka henreo bat hanyo terik mentau nailor arajar kat kendai. La pelong da kaseng Meghalaya Swimming Association, ringkat ka jingkersan lang da katnat sports and youth affairs ka jela. Ya kabala pelong ha Crinoline Swimming Pool Shillong. Kinau jingi ki balawan sekani ke Jacob kiladan palat prapusangon kentop ya ki henreu pesan ngot ki shenrang bat kat kendai ngot ki kentai bat kinau jingi ki balawan ya shimenta ki kentop ya ki ba nakasnong menska darang sona perdi tura shela nakakanhon Assam Regimental Center naka True North Swimming Club bat nakani gnong ba Shillong bat kinau jingi ki balai shimenta halai ki jong ki Jacob ki balapia hakisau benta bakentop haka freestyle breaststroke backstroke but butterfly stroke. Hakani Jacob hakini ki arsngi. Haka breaststroke nagalyang ki shenrang. Haka jingi kop jingi haka jingjingai ke ba ars pa meter. Lajob dau likak jamatia naka Assam Regimental Center. Haka breaststroke haka jingjingai ke ba sanpo ba chispa meter na kikentai. Lajob daga kong Havika Nongrom. Kumjo haka backstroke haka jingjingai ke ba sanpo ba chispa meter. Lajob hi daga kong Havika Nongrom. Haba phashe ki Jacob ke balatep kum ke butterfly stroke. Naki kentai haka Jacob haka jingjingai ke basan pometer la job da kong Eliza M Lingdo nakani nganong ba Shillong kat ba naki shenrang pat la job da Uprasenjit de Burma haka breaststroke jong ki shenrang pat haka Jacob jingi haka jingjingai ke basan po ba chispa meter la job da M Sagar Sharma naka Assam Regimental Center haka backstroke jong ki shenrang haka jingjingai ke basan po ba chispa meter la job da Unalu Jamatia naka kanhon Assam Regimental Center. Haba phashe ke Jacob ke balatep kum ke freestyle jong ki shenrang ha ka jingjingai ke basis pa mitar la job da ulikak jamatia na ka ARC kat ba ha ka jingjingai ke basan po mitar pat la job u Sanjoy jamatia kumjo ha ka Jacob freestyle ha ka jingjingai ke ba ars pa mitaru uni ujo unong ilakai jong ka kanhon Assam Regimental Center layo ekanam job ha ka freestyle jong ki kentai ha ka jingjingai ke basan po mitar pat la job da ka Astha Saikia Kadba haka jingjingai ke basis pa mitar pat lajab daka kong Eliza M Lingdo. Haka freestyle relay 4 into 50 meter jong ki kentai pat lajab daka kanhon jong ki nongjingi nakasnong shela kadba na ki shenrang pat lajab daka kanhon jong ka Assam Regimental Center bat haka medley relay 4 into 50 meter lajab daka kanhon jong ka Assam Regimental Center. Haka sini ke bakado jong ka Jacob jingi kata haka nyau tereng Laya deng dengkat ru Menteri Rang Ba Kajela u Konrad Kongkal Sangma u balalong kongsan haka jelang u bala samru iki kusnam shikinong job haka ni Jacob ka ba arsngi.
Must take this opportunity to congratulate the Meghalaya Swimming Association for really putting in the effort, I must say, and standing up to the challenges and the occasion out here where I know it's not easy to run an association like this. It's not easy to build up things from scratch. And I'm sure you must have faced a lot of challenges coming up and bringing the whole association and the swimming sport to this level today, where we have 90 participants who are participating in this competition and such diverse talent from different parts of the state, I think clearly shows that we have a huge potential in this sport. So I must once again take this opportunity to congratulate the Meghalaya Swimming Association. But more importantly, I would also like to congratulate the athletes, the swimmers who have participated. And I know that the infrastructures are not enough for you, and yet it is your passion that keeps you going. Your love for the sport and your love for swimming is what has brought you to this level. And I must congratulate the swimmers for the immense hard work that has been put in and the talent that you have. And I thank the Meghalaya Swimming Association for inviting me here to catch a glimpse of what I was missing, in fact, for a very long time. I need to see these talents, and really, when I see these talents, it gives me a lot of inspiration and a lot of hope for the future of swimming in our state. Friends, having said that, yes, there are a lot of challenges in the swimming. sector that we are facing, and the infrastructure is not enough, even in Shillong. And of course, Tura and other parts of the state, we are yet to develop infrastructure that is up to the mark. And national sports also, the national games is coming up. So therefore, we do need infrastructures. It may not be possible for us to put up infrastructures everywhere. But yes, I think as was suggested by the General Secretary of the association, we could definitely look into the aspect of repairing and making the Tura swimming pool functional. We are on the verge of getting allotment for an Olympic-sized swimming pool in the state, which is being given by Government of India. It's part of the Social Justice Ministry's project to give us an Olympic stadium for the disability sports, and obviously that place can be used by other sports associations and people who would like to bring up their talent in the sport area. So we are hopeful that that project, which is lying in the cabinet in Government of India, we're very hopeful that that should be cleared very, very soon. And I'm very hopeful that within the next quarter, which is the October, November, December quarter, we hope that we will see the project also start, which is the one in the Sauli area, which is the main area for the main stadium and the sports center for the national games, which will come up. Apart from that, I know that the support that needs to be given to these associations to run has not been given in the past few years. But I'm happy to inform you that many associations had met me a couple of weeks, about a month back, in my office chamber and expressed their concerns about the financial support. And I'm happy to inform you that after the meeting we have as a government decided to give financial support to organizations. And I'm sure that in a very short time, maybe in about a month's time, hopefully, we'll be able to release the funds to the different associations. At the same time, friends, you're aware that Meghalaya State did not have a proper sports policy. And because of that, we were facing a lot of challenges, and there was no direction to sports in our state. And I'm happy to inform you again that in the month of June, we have cleared the sports policy of the state, and now there is a proper structure and system through which we are supporting sports, including people who win medals, on what slabs they win medals, and different cash prizes that will be given to our sports people. You'll be surprised to know and surprised to hear that there was a time when Government of Meghalaya used to only give 7,000 rupees for gold medals at national games, which really was I should say, more of an embarrassment to everybody, and was really not fair to the sports people and the kind of efforts that they were putting in. But then after the sports policy has come in, we have brought the amount almost at the average of the country, and now somebody who wins a gold medal at the national level, at the national games, the amount from 7,000, mere 7,000 rupees, we have increased it to 2 lakhs now. And anybody who wins a gold medal in the Olympics, which of course I know one day we hope that will happen, prize money has been set at 75 lakhs from our state. So things like these have been done, and at least we have a structure now in place, and our sportsmen can actually, sports people and athletes can actually look up to these kind of incentives for them in the future. And many other aspects are there in the sports policy. To conclude, friends, sports is a very, very important part of everybody's life. And I keep telling our young children especially, that we all look, and the parents also, that when we look at sports, we think that sports is just another extracurricular activity, and we don't give our children the chance to participate in the different sports. It's so encouraging to see today that parents are finally allowing their children to come out and participate, in fact encouraging them to come and participate, because sports is not just about the games, it's not about the physical health, but it's also about discipline in life. Sports is about competition in life. Sports is also about learning that sometimes you lose and sometimes you win, but you just have to continue working hard. And it's about sportsmanship, that even if you lose, it's not about, again, winning and losing all the time. I think all these aspects of sports that bring into the character of an individual, to the character of the child, is something that will help the child in every walk of life they have in the future, in whatever field they may be. Even if they're not sports people at the end, but then the discipline that comes in, the hard work that comes in, the competitive, attitude that comes in, and the attitude of winning and losing and accepting a loss, working hard. These things are very, very important for a child's character. And that is the reason why we encourage parents always to let your child be in sports, participate actively, so that they can have a holistic development and we can have better and more responsible citizens for the state and the country.
This is the backstroke, and after the backstroke,
the winner of the 100 meters is Eliza Anaminda from Shillong. A big round of applause, please. TCM Manhas, Eliza Anaminda and Havika Nongrum, please come to the platform. This is the results of the third place. In second place is Eliza Anaminda from Shillong too. Freestyle, men. In third place, Banraplang Marpanyang. Banraplang Marpanyang, come forward. Dhanajit Singh and Cleric Jaden Wanyang. Meters breaststroke, and in first place M. Sagar Sharma. Please come to the fourth. The 200 meters breaststroke, Cleric Jaden Wanyang. In third place, Cleric Jaden Wanyang, 200 meters breaststroke. Please come forward. And the winner, Likak Jamatia. Thank you, Bhajan.